Important GK question. Number 1. What is the capital of Finland? A. Thimphu. B. Tokyo. C. Helsinki. D. Rome. Correct answer C. Helsinki. বন্ধুরা, আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল বাটনটি অন করে দিবেন। আর যদি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে থাকেন তাহলে আপনাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। নাম্বার 2 কোশ্চেন। ওয়ার্ল্ড এনভায়রনমেন্ট ডে সেলিব্রেটেড অন হুইচ ডে? নাম্বার এ 5 জুন, বি 4 ডিসেম্বর, সি 8 অক্টোবর, ডি 21 জুন। Correct answer A. 5 June. Question number 3. Who is the first Law Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, C. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer C. Bhima Rao Ambedkar. Question number 4. Who is the woman president of India? A. Pratibha Patel, B. Suchitra Kripalani, C. Draupadi Murmu, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer A. Pratibha Patel. Question number 5. Kanchenjunga National Park is located in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Uttarakhand, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer A. Sikkim. Question number 6. When was Jim Corbett National Park established? A. 1956, B. 1936, C. 1959, D. 1942. Correct answer B. 1936. Question number 7. Sericulture is related to which production? A. Silk, B. Nylon, C. Milk, D. Repton. Correct answer A. Silk. Question number 8. Which instrument is used to measure the depth of ocean? A. Lactometer, B. Ammeter, C. Fathometer, D. Hygrometer. Correct answer C. Fathometer. Question number 9. Shore temple is located in A. Kollam, B. Thanjavur, C. Tiruchirappalli, D. Mahabalipuram. Correct answer D. Mahabalipuram. Question number 10. Who is the first Indian to win an Oscar award? A. Bhanu Atraya, B. Emil Jennings, C. Rasul Pelukti, D. Emma Jackson. Correct answer A. Bhanu Atraya. Question number 11. In which year Oscar award started? A. 1927, B 1928, C 1929, D 1930. Correct answer C 1929. Question number 12. Who was the first recipient to receive Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? A. Miltha Singh, B. Anju Bobby George, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. Vishwanath Anand. Correct answer D. Vishwanathan Anand. Question number 13. Which is the first missile developed in India? A. Vayu, B. Agni, C. Prithvi, D. Trishul. Correct answer C. Prithvi. Question number 14. When was the Make in India program launched by the Government of India? A. 2014, B. 2019, C. 2016, D. 2017. Correct answer A. 2014. Question number 15. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? A. Vindhya Range, B. The Western Ghat, C. Shivalik Range, D. Aravalli Range. Correct answer D. Aravalli Range. Question number 16. Mangalavhanam Birds Sanctuary is located in which state of India? A. Kerala, B. Sikkim, C. Assam, D. Telangana. Correct answer A. Kerala. Question number 17. Who was the first female IAS officer in India? A. Suchitra Kripalani, B. Basundari Pal, C. Kiran Bedi, D. Anna Rajam Malhotra. Correct answer D. Anna Rajam Malhotra. Question number 18. Which country is known as breadbasket of Europe? A. Russia, B. Ukraine, C. Finland, D. Switzerland. Correct answer B. Ukraine. Question number 19. Where is the headquarter of NITI AAYOG? Option A. Bengaluru, B. Kolkata, C. New Delhi, D. Mumbai. Correct answer C. New Delhi. Question number 20. The Unbreakable is an autobiography of A. Mary Kom, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Miltha Singh, D. Na Palkifala. Correct answer A. Marie Kom. Thank you for watching the video.